Okay, here we are, Las Vegas retired. Let's open up these Donruss baseball rack packs. Doesn't even say what year they are. Oh, there's a Cal Ripken right there. Gotta put them all straight before I got going. Oh yeah, these are those these are those ones that have Donruss Diamond Kings, Andy Van Slyke. Have no room. I'm using a TV dinner table. Diamond Kings I'm putting over here. Let's see, we got Better Hustle. Never know, this thing battery might run out. Jones. There's another Diamond King, Alan Trammell. Tony Pena. Some of them will be stars of some sort. Let's see. Their ring. And there's those puzzle pieces. Oh, great. I just cut up the puzzle piece. They stick out a little farther. Billy Hatcher. Let's see that. See if we can run into somebody. This $10,000 card. Terry McGriff. Yeah, that's Fred McGriff's brother. Terry McGriff. Could have been Fred McGriff's brother. He was on the Cincinnati Reds, said. Here's the Cal Ripken one that I saw. I'm going to definitely put that. And it goes on in the Cal Ripken. There's Ricky Henderson there with Yankees. Ricky Henderson one looked like he was younger, but well, save those puzzle piece ones, you never know what you might run into. This is that Ricky Henderson one. '87 Yankees. So this, usually you see the dates on these things. 87 Yankees, these must be like 88 Donruss. That's all I'm going to guess. 88 Donruss. $88 Donruss. So there's not going to be a Ken Griffey Jr. in here. That would have to be an 89 Topps Traded. I've got Topps Traded somewhere. Someday I'll open that up here. See what we run in. Kirby Puckett. Oh, MVP card. I'm going to keep that. Keep the puzzle pieces. And then, of course, after this is all done, I'll double check to make sure that since my studio is so big, one-bedroom apartment in beautiful Vegas. I started the Lyft driver thing, got a car 3 days later. This Wuhan Wiggle happened. So, Kirk Gibson. Kirk Gibson with Dodgers, with the Tigers. Wasn't he with the Dodgers when he, that famous homer? Everything's starting to run together. Ozzie Virgil. Diamond Kings, I'm going to keep those. Who's that one? Scott Fletcher. Yeah, Bo Jackson. Well, of course, keeping Bo Jackson. And let's see what this Bo Jackson says. There you can see it. Seen Bo Jackson a bunch of times. Royals. Yep, he's a Royals fan. Boy, I always thought I've never seen anybody strike out so much, but boy, you know, I seen him a lot, but I wasn't lucky enough to see him when he hit I-70, you know what I mean, in left field, but he did. He hit some, when he hit a homer. Okay, here it is. In 25 games, he hit 2 homers in 88 or 86 and 87, 22 homers out of 116 games. So I don't know when he quit playing football. I can't remember, but anyway, I'm saving that card. Okay. Because people like Bo Jackson. He was definitely a hell of an athlete. Too bad he had to hurt himself. Shit happens. I had an all-state football player's son, all-state wrestling, and I'll be damned if he didn't blow his knee in his last year of wrestling in the playoffs, in regionals, as a matter of fact. Andre Galarraga. Regionals. But he did get a football scholarship, but he had to deal with that knee injury and other things that didn't really work out. Okay, we're on the last pack of these. Value pack. They call it a value pack, and they call them rack packs. So these are like 88 Donruss. Okay. Looks like it's still going. Got this Canon H26. Tony Gwynn. Let's put that over there. So, yeah. There's other players that we all love. And some of us love them more than others. Rafael Ramirez, blah, blah, blah. We are lucky enough that we live, not far from the Strip in a low income. J. Bell, doggone it. Let's see what else. Ryan Sandberg, famous for that, what was it, 12 to 11 or something, over game of the week. Diamond Kings. Roger Clemens. Gonna keep that. Gonna keep Roger Clemens. I don't care if it's last year, first year. My loving wife, dual citizen now, Philippines. She doesn't like baseball, but I've taken her to baseball games. She loves the atmosphere. She wouldn't go to any game. Then I took her to the Royals game. Now she doesn't mind because the atmosphere is fun. Roberto Alomar. Oh yeah, something happened. See, because I remember seeing Sandy Alomar when I was a kid. Then you had Sandy Alomar Jr. And then Roberto Alomar end up being the better than all of them, I think.